I've been away from YouTube for a while and finally I'm back with uh, this new S26 Ultra. So I thought maybe I'll unbox it first and maybe go through all of this in this video or maybe the next one. I got myself the black one with the free upgrade to 512 GB. There you go, the black one. So the box contains, as it says, a cable and S pen, ejection pin, manual. Of course, the phone. Yeah, I'll just open it quickly. Please note this is the retail version that is actually available in stores. I bought this on Samsung.com website. Ah, there you go. Not bad. While I keep the device aside, let me just open this up and see what we have in the box. Okay, so we have the SIM ejector tool sticking out. Yep. And the C2C cable. Good. What else do we have? Yep. So some instruction materials. I'll put it back. Nothing else in the box. Look at the phone itself. In hand feels so amazing. It's not an Ultra per se that we've seen earlier. Like I'm migrating from the the 23 Ultra to the 26, and I do feel there's a lot of difference, especially in the design. The 23 Ultra has sharp corners. Should have it here somewhere. Yep. 1 second there. So this is my 26 Ultra, 23 Ultra, pretty badly beaten up. Been using this for more than 3 years now. This is going to go away and be replaced by the 26. I'll do a quick comparison on the sizes. So height is almost the same, and width, maybe the 26 is slightly wider. And on the thickness front, because this is curved, it will feel slimmer. This is flat. Honestly, I like the 26 design because of the flatness on the sides and the curves. And let us take a look at the ports. So you have the buttons, volume rocker, cameras, yes, and the bottom has the bottom firing speaker, the microphone input, the type C, SIM card ejection tool, and the S pen. So yes, I've seen other videos, so the S pen does protrude a bit out and it has a different shape. You can still click it, and I don't know why people don't do it, but let us see if this works. No, not flush as I wanted, but yeah, it stays in there. And okay, so I'll quickly now for the main thing. There it is. There you go. I know the screen isn't too much to look on if you don't switch it on yet. I'll just switch it on quickly. I do hope it's charged. Ah, there it is. The first boot. while this is happening, I thought maybe I'll put the case and protection first. I really need to protect this fellow. I'll be back. So I went with a simple case I found on Amazon. This is a magnet. This is a MagSafe compatible case. So you have magnets here. It was pretty cheap. It has a transparent back as well. So I'll fix it there. So step 1 of I'll remove the sticker. There you go. Okay, I'll fix this. Yep, a very tight fit. It goes inside very well. Yeah, nice. I know we cannot. Oh, okay. So this is already on. I know we cannot test it already, but I'll boot it up. I mean, I'll install everything, and maybe in the next video I'll put a screen guard on it, and we can take a look at it further on many things that I've observed, and something on the camera as well, and also if it's really worth it to upgrade from to S23 Ultra to the S26 Ultra. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will get back to you in the next one. Bye.